Hey guys, for today a very quick tip. Now, does it happen to you when you work a lot in Lightroom and Photoshop that somehow mysteriously your hard drive space runs down? Yeah, well, maybe it's this. Open up your pictures folder. Now, over here you have a folder Lightroom. You see a Lightroom catalog and everything, but it's actually not there. Go one back, and here you see another Lightroom library. Now open with Show Package Contents and go to Temporary Edits. And now look at this. I didn't save those, I'm pretty sure, but they are still here. And this is only from one retouch session, and it's already, let me see, it's already 6.66 gigabytes. That's a weird coincidence. So if you run out of hard drive space and you wonder how the heck is that going on, remove these images and empty your bin, and you get all your space back. So if you're using Lightroom and Photoshop and you wonder where did my hard space drive go, check this one. It might be the solution for you. Thank you so very much for watching this very short clip. See you again for the next time. Bye guys.